What's the meaning of baritone? Baritone. Baritone.
Baritone. Baritone. Baritone refers to a type of voice in music that falls between the higher tenor and lower bass ranges. It is often described as a rich, warm, and deep timbre that is capable of conveying a wide range of emotions. The term baritone also applies to musical instruments, like the saxophone and trombone, which produce sound in the same range as a baritone singer. In classical music, baritone roles tend to be those of authority figures or fatherly characters, while in musical theater and pop music, the baritone voice is often associated with leading men and romantic heroes. Overall, the baritone voice is an essential component of many styles of music.